All right, guys, Nick Joseph. I'm here with David Lashley at the Lashley Training Center, and I'm learning some new wrist locks. And David's going to teach me. A nice one that he showed me is basically how to control the lead arm if somebody's grabbed you. Now, I mean, just grab me, Dave. Now, obviously, if somebody grabs you, I always have the option just strike the throat, palm strike. I can grab the wrist and strike. But maybe you're in security, maybe it's just some drunk kid, maybe it's somebody you don't actually want to hurt, you just want to control the situation. So David, what can you show us from here?
So once I feel them, grab the shirt, I'm gonna bring my arm up. I'm looking for meat. I want to get something of the hand. So when I come here, a lot of times we'll just try to roll it over, which if someone gives you any type of resistance,
let me see.
It's going to be pretty hard.
I agree.
But like as I said before, it's a straight arm. We got to get a bent arm for the wrist lock. Okay. So when I come here, I put my hand in the crack of the elbow and I bring it in.
Oh shit, yeah.
And then
because mechanically, once you move this and you move that, let me see. I'm gonna give a little bit of resistance. Let me just see.
Here. And I just come right there.
Oh, damn, yeah. So the idea, let's continue to move. You grab the wrist here, push it forward, and turn over here so the camera could see. So what you're doing is you're pushing the wrist forward. You're cracking it here. You have the lock over here. Definitely, I could feel it. And then?
I would just come right in for the finish.
Damn.
If they're wearing a jacket, it's way easier. Because when I come here, I can get material.
Oh, shit, it's
and
true.
then once I get the arm, if you start to resist, I don't have to make any adjustments. I can just move in with
So let me just try this here. So grab here. So what I'm doing is I'm doing this. Yes. Okay, I got it. So if I'm here, I'm doing...
That's it.
Ooh. Fast. Boom. And then the idea is, boom, bring it in. That much you feel it. Yeah. I could feel. And from there, obviously, you could strike. From here. And the idea is, I'm cracking it forward. Boom. I just bring it this way.
Yes.
Wow, that's a good one. And from there, what other finishing moves can you do? Like if you're here.
So I bring it in. So a lot of times the guys will knee knock up, and then I can use it once again for a takedown if I get you off balance.
If you're off balance, yeah. But I could tell if you have that, you have enough to like drop me if you hold it on.
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing, guys. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment. David, where can they find you?
LashleyTrainingCenter.com.
Yeah, we'll put the link in the comment box as well as check them out on Instagram. Let us know if there's any other more wrist locks you guys want to see because we are going to be making some more content. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go, David. Do it again.